Getting an 8-band score in IELTS within 3 months is absolutely possible with focused effort and the right strategy. Here's a practical 3-month plan and tips to help you achieve that. Half of understanding the goal. An overall 8-band means listening, 8.59, 35 to 39 correct answers. Reading, academic, 8-9 equals 35, 39 correct answers. Writing, band 7.5 to 8 equals clear, well-structured, error-free essays. Speaking, band 7.5 to 8 equals fluent, natural conversation with few errors. 3-month study plan. Month 1, build foundation, 4 to 5 hours day. Listening, practice 1 test daily from Cambridge IELTS books, 1 to 18. Focus on different accents, British, Australian, Canadian. Use podcasts, BBC Radio, or TED Talks with transcripts. Learn to predict answers from context and avoid traps. Reading, do 1-2 passages daily from IELTS books. Focus on skimming, scanning, and time management. Learn all question types, MCQ, TNG, headings, summary, etc. Writing, understand both Task 1 and Task 2 structures. Study model essays and Band 9 samples. Learn linking words, grammar, and formal tone. Speaking, start daily speaking practice with a friend or language partner. Record yourself to evaluate fluency, grammar, and pronunciation. Use sample topics from IELTS speaking cue cards. Month 2, practice and analyze. Take full-length tests twice a week. Simulate real exam conditions, timing, quiet room. Use Cambridge books or online mock exams. Focus on weak areas. Review your mistakes deeply. Use tools like Grammarly for writing feedback, YouTube channels like IELTS Liz, E2 IELTS, IELTS Advantage. Writing. Write 4 essays per week. Get feedback from a tutor or online platform. Focus on complex sentence structures and task response. Speaking, practice 2 cue cards per day. Join an IELTS WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook group for partners. Improve pronunciation using apps like Elsa Speak or shadowing technique. Month 3, mastery and mock tests. Practice full IELTS tests 3 times per week. Writing, perfect grammar. Focus on subject-verb agreement, articles, tenses. Avoid common mistakes like overuse of informal phrases, repetition, going off topic. Listening and reading. Aim to score 36 plus out of 40 consistently. Track your timing. You should finish each section 5 minutes early for review. Speaking. Practice with native speakers on platforms like Cambly, Trial Lessons, italki, Preply. Extra tips to score Band 8 plus. General. Be consistent. Don't skip days. Study 4 to 6 hours daily with focus. Track your progress weekly. For writing. Learn band descriptors, task achievement, coherence, lexical resource, grammar. Memorize templates, but use them flexibly. Use varied vocabulary, but naturally. For speaking, be confident. Fluency matters more than accent. Expand answers beyond 1 to 2 lines. Practice spontaneous speech, don't memorize. Useful resources. Free, IELTS Latch, IELTSLiz.com/ BBC Learning English, bb/5.bbc.co/learning English. Books. Cambridge IELTS 10 18, Barron's IELTS Super Pack. Target Band 8. Final advice. 3 months is enough if you follow a serious and smart strategy. If your English level is already intermediate or higher, you can reach Band 8 with this structured plan. Would you like a personalized 12-week schedule broken down by day?